mass-distributed wearables have become a familiar part of modern events and experiences. From LED wristbands at concerts to NFC badges at conferences and smart lanyards at brand activations, these devices are designed to connect, entertain, and engage large audiences. But beneath their convenience and novelty lies a significant environmental cost. This presentation explores the environmental impact of mass-distributed wearables and why addressing their life cycle is essential for a more sustainable future. Wearable technology has moved far beyond niche applications. Today, large-scale events routinely distribute electronic wearables to every attendee, making them a standard part of the experience. LED wristbands synchronize crowds, NFC badges simplify access and networking, and smart lanyards enable contactless interaction. While these devices enhance engagement and efficiency, their widespread distribution often overshadows the environmental implications tied to their production and disposal. The environmental impact of wearables grows rapidly with volume. An event distributing tens of thousands of devices generates an equally massive amount of potential electronic waste. Many of these wearables are discarded immediately after use. When they enter regular trash streams, they end up in landfills or incinerators, where their materials can persist or cause pollution. The full life cycle cost from manufacturing to disposal is rarely considered during event planning. Although small, mass-distributed wearables contain complex and potentially hazardous components. Lithium-based batteries power connectivity and lighting features, but can leak chemicals or ignite if mishandled. Printed circuit boards contain valuable yet toxic metals such as lead and cadmium. Plastics and polymers used in casings and straps do not biodegrade easily, while LEDs and sensors rely on rare earth elements sourced through resource-intensive extraction processes. Most mass-distributed wearables are designed for short-term use. They often lack replaceable batteries or extended functionality beyond a single event. Because many recycling programs do not accept small electronics, these devices are commonly thrown away. In landfills, heavy metals can leach into soil and groundwater, while incineration releases harmful emissions. Improper disposal also increases fire risks due to battery degradation. The environmental footprint of wearables extends beyond disposal. Most devices are manufactured overseas and shipped globally, generating significant transportation emissions. Packaging materials, often plastic films or composite cardboard, add another layer of waste. During events, wireless connectivity and back-end data systems consume additional energy, contributing to the overall digital carbon footprint of mass-distributed wearables. A major contributor to environmental harm is the lack of end-of-life planning. Without collection bins or return programs, devices are easily abandoned. Many wearables are permanently sealed, making them difficult to dismantle even at recycling facilities. This design approach prevents material recovery and increases demand for new raw materials. Clear accountability between manufacturers and event organizers is often missing. There are practical ways to reduce environmental impact. Reusable and reprogrammable wearables can be collected after events and used again. Modular designs with detachable batteries make recycling safer and more efficient for licensed recyclers. Digital alternatives such as smartphone apps or QR codes can replace physical devices entirely. On-site collection programs and attendee education further support responsible disposal. Mass-distributed wearables may be small, but their environmental impact is anything but. By rethinking design, distribution, and disposal, organizations can reduce waste while still delivering engaging experiences. Working with experienced licensed recyclers ensures these devices are handled responsibly, valuable materials are recovered, and environmental risks are minimized. Responsible recycling transforms short-term wearable technology into long-term environmental stewardship, protecting resources today and for future generations.